Hello everyone. Over 500 years ago, a visionary leader ruled over a vast empire that covered all of South India. That is Vijayanagara. The citizens he governed were incredibly diverse. People were of different faiths, classes, and ethnicities. Vijayanagara succeeded in creating a strong political power as a solution for South India's political issues. So today, let us look into cultural contributions of Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire had a strong central administration. In the administration purpose, kingdom was divided into provinces, provinces into regions, regions into cities, and cities into village groups. The king was the supreme judiciary of 1/6 of the land revenue which was collected. Land revenue was the major income along with trade tax, profession tax, road tax, fair tax, and export tax. During the reign of Vijayanagara infantry, cavalry, elephant, and cannon divisions were the prominent divisions in the army. Let us have a look at the social status of Vijayanagara Empire. During this period, child marriage, sati system, and devadasi systems were in practice. Deepavali and Dasara festivals were celebrated grandly. Let us look into the economic status of Vijayanagara Empire. Agriculture was the main occupation. Rice, cotton, clothes, iron, diamonds, sugar, musk, sandal, and spices were exported. Silk clothes, Makmal clothes were imported. Vijayanagara literature is called the golden era of Telugu literature. It is famous for Sanskrit, Kannada, and Telugu literature. Krishnadevaraya encouraged Telugu literature. Because of this, he got the title called Andhra Bhoja. He himself was a poet and he wrote Amukta Malyada in Telugu. Now, let us take a look at religious harmony in Vijayanagara Empire. Kings of Vijayanagara kingdom were great followers of religious tolerance. They built a mosque in their capital. Barbosa, who visited Vijayanagara during the reign of Krishnadevaraya, stated that any Christian, Jew, Muslim, Hindu, or person of any religion can live happily in the Vijayanagara kingdom because these kings respected all. Art and sculpture of Vijayanagara kingdom. Great historian Percy Brown, on observing the temples, monuments, and sculptural statues, stated that art and sculpture of Vijayanagara was the evolutionary form of Dravidian style. So, this was all about Vijayanagara Empire. Knowing about the greatest empire of South India, that is the Vijayanagara Empire, was important as it provided an idea to the future generation about the constructed wells, tanks, and canals to encourage irrigation and agriculture. The empire's legacy includes monuments spread over entire South India. The best known is Hampi. Different temple building traditions in South and Central India merged into Vijayanagara architecture style. This inspired architectural innovations in construction of Hindu temples. Thank you, students.